Guys, hit that like button. Guys, if you
you
don't hit the like button right now,
sorry.
he will hit you with that hammer, and he's the
I'll hit you
president.
with this
Oh
hammer.
my god.
I'll do it. I'm mad.
Boys, my real announcement is I have reason to suspect that somebody is not adhering to the contraband
Henry?
chest of copyright.
I bet it's Henry.
Well, I have a confession.
What?
It was Nico.
I found those things in my base, so you guys take it. Bye.
Give me that building! Oh, all right, hey, he gave him up. He gave him up. That's fine. But that is not my case. That is not what I'm fighting for. Everybody, assemble a gasp in 3, 2, 1. Why did nobody gasp?
Why did nobody hear it?
I have reason to believe